About 69% of teachers use PPT to teach in their classrooms. And according to the research, it takes a minimum of 2 hours to prepare a 10-minute presentation. But this just becomes super easy with the EyeRIS digital board. Teachers need to just input the topic name, grade level, and desired outcome. That's all. The AI assistant in EyeRIS board takes care of the rest. It generates comprehensive lesson plans, lessons with multimedia, and quizzes in less than a minute. Teachers can save 95% of their time preparing PPTs with the EyeRIS digital board. Teachers can get editable PPTs directly from these generated lessons, including all necessary elements like text, engaging multimedia, and interactive quizzes. With its AI-powered EyeRIS digital board, teachers can give more time to individual students and contribute to their academic growth. Experience EyeRIS digital board in your class. Book a demo today.